Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Cloudflare for site speed and security strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Cloudflare account if you don't already have one. Visit the Cloudflare website and click on sign up in the upper right corner. Enter your email address and create a password. Once your account is set up, log in to the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the Add a Site button to start adding your website. Enter your site's domain name without HTTP or www. Select a plan that suits your needs. Free plans. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. Review the DNS records to ensure they match your current configuration. Once confirmed, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Choose your domain registrar and follow the instructions to update your name servers. This step may take some time to propagate globally. After updating the name servers, return to the Cloudflare dashboard. You will see a confirmation when Cloudflare detects your name servers have been updated. Next, navigate to the SSL/TLS settings in the Cloudflare dashboard. Select Flexible or Full as your SSL mode based on your current setup. For enhanced security, opt for Full if you have an SSL certificate on your server. Next, proceed to the Caching tab. Set the caching level to standard to enable basic caching. Consider enabling automatic cache purge to clear old cache. Now, navigate to the speed settings. Enable auto minify for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to reduce file sizes. Turn on Rocket Loader to improve loading speeds for JavaScript. To further enhance speed, utilize Cloudflare's image optimization feature. Enable Polish to automatically optimize your images. Explore the security settings next. Set the security level to a point that protects your site without affecting users negatively. Enable the Web Application Firewall (WAF) if you have a paid plan. Configure bot management to help protect against malicious traffic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.